Do you have a red light on your Xerox VersaLink C600 or C605 printer that's telling you it's time to change the waste toner container? Well, that's just what we're going to go over in today's episode. I'm Matthew, and this is the Printing Workshop. First thing we'll do is open the right side cover. Inside here, this black apparatus is your waste toner container. On top is an orange button. You'll push down on that orange button and roll the container out. And on top is a handle. Grab that handle and just lift it out. It's pretty simple. Now to go back in, if you look at the inside of the container, there are two little arrows. And you have these little flanges here that will sit on these gray little trough pieces. And you just set the new one in there like that and roll it up and into place and latch it in there. You'll close your right side cover and that's it. If you'd like to see more quick how-to videos on this same model, click right here. If you'd like to see more quick how-to videos on other Xerox products, subscribe to our channel.